Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you reserve your spot on your Robinhood app. So all you have, so we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here or reserve your spot here. So when you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on continue here. So then you click here on try urban hot code. Then it's going to take you to this list here. And here can you have here, so just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time. Then here can you just click on continue here. Then it's going to show for you a list to add your card information, and you click here on agree here. So then you click here on continue here. Then it's going to take you to this list here to add your date birthday here. So I'm going to add this birthday here for example. So then it's going to take you to this list, add here your address. So then it's going to reserve video on your Robinhood app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.